Hey guys, welcome back. So my hair is in desperate need of a protein treatment, so we're gonna take it back old school, okay? We're gonna start with the bowl, the fork, an egg. I'll put this down so I don't break the egg. Then you're gonna need good old mayo and honey. And I don't really measure it all that much. I just kind of throw stuff together and hope it works. But yeah, so I have already washed and conditioned my hair. I can tell it needs a protein treatment because it's been really frizzy lately. No matter how much I moisturize it, it doesn't really seem to be making a difference. So at that point, it's like, okay, so my hair needs some protein. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my ingredients together and go ahead and apply it.
Alright guys, so like I said, I don't really measure any ingredients, which is probably a bad thing, but I haven't had any negative effects so far, so let's just hop to it. All I know is I use one egg. As you can see, I do scramble it prior to adding the other ingredients. I use a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise and about 1 tablespoon of honey, depending on how much or how shiny I want my hair to be. Keep in mind my hair is short, so my ratio may be larger or smaller than yours. If you need less, I suggest you scramble the egg and only use half the egg and then add the other ingredients instead of adding them all together and then splitting the bulk in half. The mayo acts as a conditioner, the egg in the mayo and the additional egg acts as the protein base. The honey is an emollient which helps soften and smooth the hair shaft. Honey is also rich in antioxidants which help prevent hair loss. That being said, even if you feel like your hair isn't getting the best protein treatment because it's DIY, it's still getting a pretty good combination. That with a little bit of heat to help bind the protein molecules to your hair, and you're good to go. Honestly, it's a shame though, because the mixture is quite pungent, I'm not even gonna lie, and it isn't for weak stomachs. But if you can get through it, your hair will thank you and so will your wallet. This might look a little weird, but I'm pouring the egg mixture over my hand so that I can actually feel how much is coming out of the bowl. While you are handling this combination, please keep in mind that there is raw egg and that salmonella bacteria does still exist. Be sure to disinfect everything you've touched while applying this protein mixture. When you are done and all of the mixture has completely saturated your hair, sit under a heated dryer for approximately 30 minutes. If you have a steamer, that's even better. As you can see, I am using a plastic cap to cover my head just because I don't want the egg to get on any of my stuff. Rinse the mixture out of your hair with neutral or cold water. If you're like me and you like using warm water or hot water, you'll have to resist the urge as this will cause the egg to cook in your hair. And trust me, having scrambled eggs in your hair is not fun. Just lightly shampoo after you're done to take away the risk of having any raw egg in your hair and make sure your hair is clean. Condition to make sure the moisture-protein balance is even. And just like that, you're all done.